Do you want to know more about the Toyota Corolla Cross, the compact crossover SUV that replaced the CHR in the US market? Do you want to see how it looks like in the Nightshade Edition, which adds some black accents and features to the hybrid model? Do you want to find out what changes are expected for the 2024 or 2025 model year of this versatile and affordable vehicle? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will give you all the information you need about the Toyota Corolla Cross and its hybrid version. But before we get into that, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps us out, and we appreciate your support. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. The 2023 Corolla Cross has a starting MSRP of $23,710 for the base L trim with front-wheel drive and a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that simulates 10 gears for better responsiveness. The hybrid model starts at $27,790 for the LE trim, with all-wheel drive and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that works together with two electric motors to generate 121 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque. This system uses an electronically controlled CVT that also has 10 simulated gears. The Corolla Cross has a sleek and modern design that reflects its relation to the Corolla family. It has a large grille with chrome accents, LED headlights and taillights, roof rails, and 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels. The interior is spacious and well-equipped, with features such as an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, a power moonroof, and a 9-speaker JBL premium sound system. The Nightshade Edition is available in 3 exterior colors: Super White, Celestite Gray Metallic, and Black Sand Pearl. It is expected to arrive in dealerships this fall with an estimated price of just under $31,000. Toyota might also prepare a mid-cycle refresh for the Corolla Cross for the 2024 or 2025 model year to keep it competitive and attractive in the compact crossover SUV segment. According to our resident pixel master who created this CGI image, the refreshed Corolla Cross could have some changes in the front fascia, such as a revised grille, new headlights, and a redesigned bumper. The rear end could also get some tweaks, such as new taillights, a reshaped tailgate, and a modified bumper. The interior could also receive some updates, such as new materials, colors, and technologies. That's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the Toyota Corolla Cross and its hybrid version. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the Corolla Cross and its Nightshade Edition. Would you buy one? What changes would you like to see in the refreshed model? We would love to.